Today I'm going to be showing you how to tie a Palomar fishing knot. We're going to be using an H2O Express heavy wire EWG 2/0. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your fishing line, you're going to take it to this hole, get it through. So it should look something like this. You'll take this end again and double back through the hole. So you have something like this. Loop, no loop, loop, no loop. Now, you're going to tie a knot with it. So you go like this, wrap it around, bring it through. So now you have something like this. The loop again, no loop. Now what you're going to do is you're going to take this loop and bring the hook through it, and then just pull on this loose end and tighten it up. And there's your fishing knot.